Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to replace words in your MS Word doc file through the browser. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Open any of the document on your Microsoft Word account through the browser. I've opened a book review. Go to the taskbar and just click on this view option. As you tap on it, just go to this navigation bar. As you click on it, you'll find this sort of setting. As you find it, what you have to do is just go on Replace tab. Now from here, click the word that you want to choose to be replaced with another word. So for example, I'll choose the unending game and I'll replace it with the murderer. After changing the words, just click on Replace All. After that, all the words will be replaced to the murderer, as you can see, and it will be marked automatically. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you're interested in the video or if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. Thank you.